Hi guys, you see I made a video. I haven't been making videos for a while now. I just wanted to get back to you about an idea. I have over the last 35 years in my life built up intellectual property and know-how how to manufacture top hammer drilling percussive equipment. So my idea is to ask for your help. Basically, I'm reaching out there. I would like to start a company and to manufacture these products in South Africa. We're looking to raise $3 million. This will fund basically a complete setup, a small setup in South Africa of CNC machines, machining centers, turning centers, fit factories. And that to manufacture first phase top hammer drilling tools. But the reason why I'm handing out is I'm looking for people to help that we can do a form of a YouTube video and a business plan type of layout, so where we seek to ask for investment and for anybody to invest. Not just to give them money, but to basically then they receive shares for their money. What we want to do is set up a business and employ local people, give them the content to get themselves out of financial debt, to help employ people, to make South Africa great again, to give them an opportunity, so we can build something here. Unfortunately, me being a white person, and I've been around and tried all the different avenues to get funding and finances, but to no avail. It's been hard now for me to get my family out of debt, to get our company up and going, and to employ people. We need people help, but I want to take this one step further. I want to turn this into a YouTube channel, basically where we show from the beginning to the end. Every day is what's happening, where we're going, what we're doing, how we're manufacturing. So we're going to educate as well. There's lots of ideas like this on the web, I know, but this will be unique. So I'm reaching out to film content creators, people that know how to write business plans, people that know how to make YouTube videos, that if they're all willing to put in their time and do their help, and at the end they will also all be financially rewarded for their help. We're looking for investors basically to raise the $3 million. And this will help set it up. We look to have a decent accounting firm so that all the money can be traced and understood, and that our main aim is to do a complete setup where we can start employing people. A small setup like this could employ 35 people, that have 35 people going home to feed their families, giving them an opportunity to learn a skill, to understand, to develop, to move on in life, and to buy their own way instead of being given handouts by our government. I'm pretty willing to push this business as a startup in South Africa, but to make it an international business, to grow this business, to put footprints all over the world. I have the know-how and I have the IP to do this, from top hammer, bottom hammer, tricones, PDC bits, matrix bits, doesn't matter, I can make them all. So as a South African, as a mechanical engineer with a background and with 35 years in the drilling industry, I would like to do this. I would like to see who is willing to help, throw their name in the hat, and if you're willing to sponsor, if you're willing to give us an opportunity, reach out to me. So let's discuss this. Let's make this work so that we can employ people, that we can really make South Africa great. It's no use us waiting for politicians to fix things. They're not. They're just destroying. They're creating diversity, and I would like to change it. I'd like to make South Africa great, and the only way we can make South Africa great is by employing people. Giving them jobs, giving them a purpose in life, showing them that they're worth more than they are, than they've been politically monopolized and changed. So please reach out to me. care for South Africa. I grew up here, I live here all my life. I'm probably about a 5th generation South African, and I would love to make this work, but I would love to make this a world concept, not just a South African concept. Footprint here in South Africa and grow it. I know we have the know-how to grow this thing from a $3 million to a $250 million industry, but with that we can create work, we can give people employment. That is the drive behind this, not profit-driven companies. This is to help people earn a living, live, give back to people, so people can own a stake in the company as well. We ask you for your help. We need lots of help. So I'm a 52-year-old, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I don't know how to make films, as you can see by this. But I talk from the heart. I'm a God-driven person, and I need your help. So please, if you can't help, just forward this video on to more people so more people can see it. So we can make this become an international thing, so that at the end of the day you can turn around and say, I helped these people, I helped this. It's not necessary that everybody's got money. I do understand it, but I'm reaching out to people, and this is your chance. Maybe give me a call, drop an email in, and let's discuss this thing so that we can move this thing forward. It's a simple plan. I want to do a YouTube video showing the business plan step for step, and then also as we implement it and start this business up, I want to film it daily, so that weekly you can get content to see, this is what I've done, this is a change, this is the lives I've changed, this is something different. This is not giving money to politicians, this is giving money to create employment, to help people. So I thank you, and I'm reaching out, so please help me. My details will be in the bottom, and if you can get back to me, I appreciate it. Thank you.